This video explains how to prepare a slurry sample for use in the Mindet Emago Laboratory Device. Please ensure that you are wearing the appropriate personal protective equipment and follow the safety protocols of the workplace where this activity is carried out. Regardless of whether a sample is wet or dry, the fines are separated from the coarse fractions for analysis. This is necessary because Mindet uses slightly different AI algorithms to identify mineral species in the two size fractions. The sieve size for the split is determined by a number of factors, including the target grind size of the comminution circuits in the plant. Mindet consultants will discuss with you the appropriate cut size for your application. The Emago device is configured to manage this requirement for up to 18 sample pairs at a time. It automatically combines the results for each sample pair at the end of the analysis run. Okay, let's start the procedure. A 1 litre sample is collected from a sample point in the plant and brought to the laboratory. The sample is weighed and the weight recorded, and this is in order to calculate the percent solids. The sample is stirred to ensure homogeneity, and then a 20 milliliter sample is taken with a syringe. The intake should be from the area between the impeller and the wall of the flask. This sample is being screened at 38 microns. Mindet will work with each customer to determine the right cut size depending on the ore type and the grind size. Empty the syringe into the screen and spray the sample with a small amount of water to ensure the separation is as complete and efficient as possible. This process may have to be repeated a couple of times. Pour the fines into a separation funnel. Let the fines settle for 10 to 20 minutes and then transfer a sample into the first cuvette. Seal the cuvette with the QR code cap supplied by Mindet. The sample is now ready to be scanned in the Emago Laboratory Device. Now take the sieve and wash the coarse fraction into a fresh separation funnel. Ensure all of the particles are washed into the funnel. Let the coarse fraction settle for a short time and then transfer a sample into another cuvette. Seal the cuvette with the QR code cap, and now it is also ready to be scanned. And here are the two samples, fine and coarse, ready to be analysed by the Mindet Laboratory Device.